slita av fort. Great! Is it nice? I'm going to chew it off, Cooper, and then all the fun is gone. Hey, come on! Hiccups! Very nice. Very nice. Morning. Oops. That one is a little bit too small for you, Cooper. That's for the girls. You have to stay at the big ones. Big baskets and big